Hello? Uh-oh! What is that? Dude, activate, you stupid.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee, Stewart County in Middle Tennessee, Needham County in Middle Tennessee, Houston County in Middle Tennessee.
Someone's probably getting this by now. SVR. Hold on, I can catch this.
Bowling Green, partly sunny, 83.
Tennessee now in a tornado watch until 10 p.m. That can be a little more closely ranged to around 8 and 9 p.m.
Source, radar indicated.
With that storm could come winds up to 60 miles an hour. We are keeping an eye on parts of Kentucky just west of Clarksville, where there are now tornado warnings.
Clarksville, New Jacksonville, McCune, Tennessee Ridge, Big Rock.
5 minutes over in some international news. The UN warning that Ukraine will have a major financial impact on poor countries.
What the heck? Oh, you stupid OJ checks for that. You are stupid.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Middle Tennessee. The National...
Oh my gosh, I swear sometimes OJ checks you are stupid.
In Tennessee, Channel 4 reporting that a juvenile made a false
Megan.
shooter at Clarksville Middle School, putting them in lockdown protocol. Responders then conducted a sweep of finding no such evidence of a school shooter as it was a false call. Montgomery County Sheriff John Fusen said in a news release, quote, "I take threats against our schools seriously.
Should have done that.
Every step to hold close
While severe weather may not be imminent,
to schools."
Oh well.
That's the latest news. Weather's next. UTN News.
Are you ready to take control of your hair loss?
20%.
EAI Medical is
Saturday
always on the
night,
cutting edge of
mostly
technology,
cloudy with a
and with
20%
that,
chance of showers. Lows in the mid-40s. Sunday, partly sunny with a slight chance of thunderstorms. A slight chance of showers in the morning.
And plus,
Chance of showers in the
this thing should have activated.
possible chance of rain 30%.
Yeah, I'm looking right at you.
With a slight chance of thunderstorms.
Stupid.
A chance of showers. Lows in the upper 40s. Winds could blow around us.
Because this thing's on channel 7. Look, I can show you. This is on channel 7. Just give me a second. Channel 7.
Profile vehicle. Slight chance of showers in the evening.
Channel 7. Like, what?
Lows in the lower
What is going on in my weather videos? I swear something's up.